Costillas Fighting! Hello, hi guys! Hi guys! Ganito talaga.
Madilim, hindi mo nakikita yung mga mukha niyo.
Oo nga no, ba't yun ang patay ko? Ay, bakit na naman pinatay? Oo, ito na ba yan? Yan nga yun, pinag ko. Lord, please guide us. Yun nga yung loob ko eh. Amen! Palestinian fighting!
Walang araw, no? Baka dun yung court. Sige. Sige, be, doon.
Mag-i-standing?
Sige na, pasok na kayo dun. Para may pwesto na tayo.
Of expertise that spans the fields of physical education, ICT, and campus journalism. As a skilled newspaper and magazine layout artist, a dedicated school paper consultant, and a Microsoft Office innovator, he embodies the perfect blend of traditional journalism and modern digital craftsmanship. Please join me in welcoming our evaluator and validator, Dr. Tarek C. Bukan. Is the epitome of academic excellence and journalistic integrity. A seasoned educator with a doctorate in education. She currently serves as a Master Teacher 3 in English at Betis National High School. Beyond the classroom, she is a pillar of the campus journalism community, serving as a school paper advisor, a sought-after resource speaker, and a meticulous language editor for high-level research. Recognized as the most outstanding Master Teacher of Cluster 2, she brings a sharp eye and a passion for truth to our panel today. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Sherry Laksamana Miguel.
Ayun na, may proctor kayo pa. Check tayo mo nito. Ayan ba?
So, ang sanitation inspector, focus siya sa mga
Assets in farms, way, and then the vulnerability, how susceptible the people are. And the last one is capacity. Lain mo na English.
Kaya nyo yan. Galingan nyo.
Sige, Pilipino good luck. Wala na makikipag-usap sa coach na eh. Okay, lain mo na.
Nanginginig ako.
Talaga nakakahinig yan.
Hideout. May hideout kami. Ang ganda na lugar. Diyos ko, pinagpawisan ako. Takbo ako. Kinakabahan po yan. Hanggat hindi sila bababa, hindi mawala yung kaba niya. Andun sila, oh. Ayaw nyo pang bumaba? Ayaw nyo pang bumaba? Hindi pa kayo bababa? Yung iba bumaba na.
23 months?
Oo.
Natapos kami ng last second.
Anong oras?
Ano ba? 2:25.
Yung
Natapos yun.
So, hindi kayo nakapagod? Ah, yung last na lang ako.
Ang tagal kayo, ma'am?
anong oras ba yung time?
2:25, ma'am.
Masa ko pala, lagay mo.
Diyan sa may upuan. Sige, iusog niyo mo ito. O, balikan mo, bebe. Balikan mo. Be, tulungan mo siya.
And our blessing is Patreon. Our body, School. Binalik.
Sana may plate ako.
And our president for your Patreon, Fausto Gonzalo. Fourth place, Best in Picture Patreon. Best in Picture Patreon. Fausto Gonzalo.
Basko naman.
Best Sports Stage. Fifth place from San Jose Elementary School, Macabebe West District. Fourth Best in Sports Stage, we have San Panchas Elementary School, Santo Tomas. Seven, Best in Sports Stage, we have San Vicente Belen Elementary School, Macabebe East District. And our best in sports stage, we have Fausto Shogo Memorial School. Fifth place, Flo. Fourth best in layout, we have and our best in layout, we have Fausto Elementary School, Macabebe West District. Fifth best CBPD in Philippines. Division qualifier